here's the reason why Metatrader has been banned, and I'm also going to give you an alternative if you're using the Apple device, because it was banned in Apple and those who are using iPhone cannot access Metatrader. Now here's the reason why, but before getting to that, please hit the like button if you're new, subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Actually, Metatrader 4 and 5 are trading platforms that are being used to trade, but this platform was created by a company called Metatrader. Now Metatrader was founded by Russians. Actually, the CEO of Metatrader is called Renat Fatholin. Excuse my French, but that's a Russian, and they created this company back in 2002, and ever since then Metatrader is the best trading platform. In fact, it's the most popular trading platform in the whole wide world. Imagine more than 100,000 brokers are using the MT4 platform, with others using the MT5 platform ever since it was launched in 2010. So now we have the MT4 platform and we have the MT5 platform, and we have millions of traders using that platform to trade forex, bonds, cryptocurrencies and the rest. But the main reason why Metatrader 5 and 4 was banned from the iOS operating system, that's the Apple operating system, is that yesterday the Council of the European Union met to how they can stop Russian economy, because they're trying to stop the Russian economy because of the war, the Ukraine crisis, if you know what I'm saying. So why are we doing that? They realize that the euro has fallen against the US dollar. Right now it's trading at 0.9. That means 1 euro is equivalent to 0.95, something like 95 or 96 USD. So the European Union realized that the euro fell against the USD, but the Russian ruble, that's the Russian currency, the ruble, has been stable. That proved to them that some Russian billionaires bought a lot of ruble on Metatrader iOS system, and because they know in Russia most people use the iPhones, the iOS system, they decided that they were going to ban Metatrader from the iOS system, that's the Apple system. Now much of the stakes in Metatrader is being owned by Russians, even though the headquarters of Metatrader is in Cyprus. So that's what's happening right now, is because of the crisis in Ukraine that has caused Metatrader to be banned. But here is an alternative. In fact, there are many alternatives. The first alternative is to use an Android phone, because it hasn't yet been banned on Android. So if you're an Android user, you have no issues with that. If you're also using a Windows computer, you have no issues with that. And also, if you still don't want to use the Android phone or the Windows computer, you can still decide to use CTrader. CTrader has not been banned. Also, you can still decide to use TradingView. TradingView is also a trading platform, so people trade using TradingView. You just have to create you just have to look for a broker that is linked with TradingView, and you can link your account with TradingView and trade using TradingView. So those are the alternatives I've seen that are reliable. CTrader is also a good trading platform, which I think people can try if they don't want to switch to Android or any other thing. So that's it for this video. What do you think about it? Leave it down in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Bye.